What is kumpir? Have you ever ate Turkish potato? Did you know that you can make it easily? In this video, I want to teach you how to make it. If you test it, you'll love it. Hello friends, I'm Mr. Boy, and in this video, I want to teach you how to make Turkish potato. So stay with me till the end of this video and like the video. At first, after heating the oven, grab a potato and grill it in 150 degrees centigrade for 2 hours in the oven. 2 hours passed and the potato is ready. Let's go for the next step. Okay friends, cut the potato in half like this. Now, add salt as much as needed. You need to do it more while you are making kumpir. And then add some red pepper. If you don't like spicy foods, don't use too much red pepper. It's time to add butter and pizza cheese. You need to do it 2 or 3 times while preparing the kumpir. You need to use 50 up to 70 grams butter and 150 up to 200 grams pizza cheese and mix them completely with the potato. And some lime. It's time to design. You can add everything for designing, but I choose these 5 followings. Some corn mixed with the mayonnaise, then some macaroni salad that gives a very delicious taste. Add some cocktail sausage, and at the end, add black olives to the potato. It's time for the sauces, friends. You can use any kinds of sauces you want. I choose these three sauces: hot red pepper, garlic sauce, and mustard sauce. It's ready, my friends. Bon appetit! Subscribe the channel, my friend. Don't forget to like the video if you want to learn how to make these delicious mushrooms. Don't lose the next video.